Assalamu alaikum. First of all, Sir Hisham, thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Um, Today we will discuss about what is the difference between social media marketing and digital marketing, and we will discuss about email marketing, banner ads, video ads, blog sponsored blog post, and last but not the least, SEO. First of all, we will discuss uh, what is the data marketing. Data marketing is the use of internet and social media platform and mobile devices and different channels to reach the consumer. And what is the social media marketing? Social media marketing undercomes in a data marketing. As if we can say, data marketing is a broad term, and social media marketing undercomes in a data marketing. Basically this lecture is totally about data marketing. So we will discuss about data marketing, like email marketing, banner ads, video ads, sponsored blog post, and search engine optimization. First of all, we will discuss email marketing. When you search some websites and the end of bottom side, you can see a newsletter where you can put your Gmail and subscribe the website, and website owner send back you email through your interest. This is called email marketing. Moving on, banner ads. When you visit some website and domain age is like 2 year old, and it depends on, but I think 1.5 year is enough. A large company, banner ads, when you done this, a domain is 2 year old and having a good traffic. A large company comes and approach this website and advertisement through banner ads or video ads, and of course these companies pays for a website owner well. Now we will discuss about sponsored blog posts. The sponsored blog post is another way to making good money on the internet. For example, your domain name is old 2 year and having a good traffic, then new blogger comes in your website and asks to permission to write an article. When you give permission to this blogger, of course you can make a money. Video is the same way. You can make money through videos. If the video owner interested in your website contacts you, then the video owner pays for the for these videos. SEO. SEO, search engine optimization, is a process that helps you to your digital product understandable to Google and to end user. Search engine optimization is a process to improving quality and quantity of the work. There is a two-way. One is on-page SEO and other is off-page SEO. On-page SEO is like your keyword, title, description, videos, image related to your topic, and the other is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is like broader field, but we will discuss how to find a keyword, how to find a keyword, and some website and tools that helps to find a keyword. We will discuss Google auto search, BuzzSumo, Neil Patel Uber Suggest, and Href. These are the best website and tools that helps us to correct our SEO part.